So Maya HTT has been in business for 40 years. We've been a long-term 14-year partner with AVEVA and focusing on system integrators and value-add solutions on top of Connect and other solutions. So the AVEVA partner ecosystem is very attractive to Maya for various reasons. One, it's evolved over a very long period of time. It's got a very large user base. It really was a natural fit for us to grow, and that partnership has evolved over more than a decade now, and it's been really growing and really strong, and thanks to the growth of the community in parallel. Well, so the Managed Solution Program from AVEVA is really awesome for Maya HTT as a partner, as we add value-add solutions on top of the AVEVA solutions, and the Managed Solution provide us an ecosystem where, as a partner, we can showcase our value directly from the marketplace and the ecosystem in place. One of them is the outlier detection. So if you look at the variety of data that are being collected from various industries, a lot of people have problems or challenges to pick out outliers that are generating anomalies, sometimes good, sometimes bad. But picking out those outlier scenarios is really the value add that the Maya HTT application brings to the solution. Connect was the logical platform to build upon because it gives Maya HTT an outlet to essentially provide an easy solution on top of the Connect ecosystem of data that is being collected. So as the Connect marketplace evolves in the future, clearly it's going to gather more and more momentum, and people will move more and more to cloud-based solutions. So Maya HTT is very much looking forward to adding new applications on top of the marketplace for the benefits of the community that will be growing alongside.